Okay, so it's been a while since I've done like a crazy huge unboxing video, and I felt like it was time to break that dry spell. And in today's video, I've got a lot of different pickups, all from FARFETCH, and I'm stoked to open them up for you guys. So let's just run the intro really quick. What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm unboxing just a huge mess of stuff. So to give you guys some background as to why I picked up all this stuff from FARFETCH, there's a couple reasons. One, because FARFETCH is sponsoring today's video, so huge shout out to them for that. But also because you guys have been mentioning for years at this point in my comment section that my pant game is weak. And you know what? I don't disagree with you. So I felt like this would be the perfect opportunity to try a bunch of different pant styles and pant brands, pair them with some dope sneakers, which I actually don't have any of them in my collection, and see how they all go together. So I went crazy at FARFETCH. By the way though, huge thank you to FARFETCH for sponsoring today's video. They're one of my favorite sponsors. They've been with the channel for years at this point. It's crazy, and I can't thank them enough for their continued support. And so for that reason and a lot of other great reasons, which I'll get to in a second, make sure to check out FARFETCH by clicking the links in the description below. I've also got links to some of the products that we picked up in today's video, as well as my favorites list. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure to click those links. So to give you guys a little bit of background on FARFETCH, if you're not familiar with FARFETCH, FARFETCH is one of my go-tos when it comes to sneakers, streetwear, and really anything designer. Actually, I didn't even really think about it like this, but pretty much everything in my closet that's designer, even the shoes that I wore to my wedding, I got from FARFETCH. They were Gucci, by the way. They were fire. That was a big flex. But the main reason that I love FARFETCH is because they have such an insane selection, and the reason for that is because they work with boutiques all over the world, so you can find pretty much any product that you're looking for, and they can ship it to you very, very quickly. Actually, this first package, which we're gonna unbox, I thought was something else because it got to my door like the day after I ordered it, and it came from New York, and I'm in Philly, and I didn't even get overnight shipping. It just showed up regular shipping. It was crazy. I was blown away. Also, because it came so fast, I know what's inside it already, so that kind of ruined the surprise for me a little bit. Doesn't matter, you guys don't know what's inside, so it's fine. But although I'm not gonna tell you guys what's inside the package, I will tell you where I got it from, and that's Stadium Goods. And the reason I buy a lot of sneakers on FARFETCH through Stadium Goods is, one, because FARFETCH owns Stadium Goods, so it's a very refined process, like you get your products super quick, like I just said. But the other reason is because Stadium Goods is one of the best places to buy sneakers because of the fact that they legit check their sneakers with real people and with specialized AI to make sure that all the sneakers that you buy from Stadium Goods and from FARFETCH in general is authentic. And it's kind of a special perk for buying sneakers from Stadium Goods through FARFETCH. You're actually able to return the sneakers back to Stadium Goods, which you can't do if you buy them directly from Stadium Goods. So if you get a pair of sneakers in, it doesn't fit or it doesn't look exactly how you want, you can return it, which is kind of crazy. If you're not familiar with sneaker consignment and sneaker resale, that might not sound crazy to you, but believe me, it is. So if you guys want to check out FARFETCH, which I definitely recommend for all your luxury and designer goods needs, make sure to click those links in the description below and use my discount code right here for 10% off your first purchase. It's a crazy discount code and it only works on your first purchase from FARFETCH, so don't waste it. Buy something dope. But with all that being said, let's dive right into this crazy unboxing and hopefully up my pant game a little bit. So the first package that I'm gonna start with is this box, which I already kind of opened. I did open it from the bottom though, because I have a weird tendency to do that for some reason, so it didn't sort of ruin the entire unboxing experience, which I'm happy about. But let's crack the top on this guy. Obviously, it's a pair of sneakers. Obviously, I got it from Stadium Goods, like I said, and there will be links in the description down below, but don't ruin this video by clicking those links until the end of the video. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so the box is upside down. That's probably because I put it back in there. But there you go. We've got a pair of Nike sneakers, as shown on the box. And as you can see, there is the Stadium Goods tag. I'm trying to hide all the information that's relevant to the sneakers right there in the front. But you got the Stadium Goods tag right there. This is a size 9, my size. And this, of course, as you probably could tell from the box, is a pair of Nike Dunks. So let's pop the top. First thing you've got is your FARFETCH return policy information, which is awesome. Good to know. And then inside the box, we've got the sneakers. So here we go. I've already seen them. I'm not that surprised, but they are fire. So these are the UNC Nike Dunk Lows, looking really, really clean in this beautiful white and baby blue. Love it. I actually don't have a lot of pairs of Nike Dunk Lows because it's not like my overall favorite sneaker of all time. I just grabbed colorways that I like. And this is a colorway which I really like, and resale wasn't too crazy, so I ended up picking it up. I really like this look. It's very summer, it's very clean. I'm gonna be rocking this a lot. The other pair of Nike Dunks that I rock a lot, at least recently, was the Syracuse Nike Dunk Lows, which I actually think that I got from FARFETCH last year. You've got the Stadium Goods authenticity tag right there. Let me pull out this paper. I am gonna throw these on for these fit shots I've got coming up later on in the video. When I try on a pair of pants, I'm gonna throw on some shoes to match with it, show you guys a nice fit shot, but Look at these. These are so sick. It's really frustrating because Nike's been dropping so many Nike Dunks recently, especially Nike Dunk Lows. Even with all the Nike Dunks releasing, I still can't grab any pair unless I grab them from FARFETCH, which I guess isn't a bad thing, but it would be nice to get a W on the sneakers app at least once. Like, give me one. But a very, very clean pair of sneakers, very easy to rock. Comes with a fully leather upper with white and that baby blue color, or UNC blue. You've got a blue rubber outsole and a white midsole. It's pretty much all there is to it, but I'm not gonna lie, these are so fire and I cannot wait to rock these. So let's put these guys down and move on to the next package. Okay, so based on the size of this next package, I would assume that it has to be pants. Like, I don't think sneakers could fit in there. Even baby sneakers. I actually don't remember what pants I've ordered. It's been, well, it's like 3 days, so it hasn't been that long. But long enough for me to forget. So, there you go. They do package it very securely, especially since I think a lot of these pants actually came from Italy or maybe the UK, I'm not sure. They do come with stickers on the top of them just to let you know what country they're from. This one didn't come with one though, so I guess this one could just be from the US somewhere. I don't remember where I bought all the pants from either, so let's see. So here's the receipt. Here is the FARFETCH tag. Here's the inside of the box for it. And then we've got, the Izu Army pants. That's right, it was a brand that I wasn't familiar with, but I did really like these pants a lot. Let me crack the top on these guys. I will put up some fit videos, fit pics, I don't know what to call them, on the screen. But man, these are pretty clean. So these are kind of like cargos, which I really, really like. I think they'll go really well with a lot of the sneakers. Not only that I bought, but also in my collection. Because the color is super nice. They definitely have a little bit more of a formal feel because of the material. It doesn't feel like a jogger. It feels more like a almost like a chino. It's not a chino, but it has that sort of feel to it. It's got the Izu Army tag right there. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then on the back, you've got this nice bright orange tag that makes it feel very military, which I like. But yeah, I definitely dig the color of this pair of pants. And also at the bottom, you've got the Izu Army logo right there. And you can actually adjust the cuff of the pant with this Velcro tab right here. Ooh, actually, hold up. This isn't what I expected at all. This isn't drawstrings. This is just a carabiner with a drawstring style look. It actually does have belt loops. I don't know how I missed that originally, but there you go. Okay, so next up, I've got a big box full of shoes and then some more pants. Inside this big box, we've got 2 sneakers from Stadium Goods. Let me cut the side of this box. Inside this box, woohoo! Inside this box, we have got, oh man, okay, so I don't want to show you guys what the tops of the boxes look like because one of them, you guys are going to know right away what it is. The other one, you guys might not know for sure. Let me pull out the one that you guys might not know first just to give you guys a little bit of suspense, but I'm stoked. Here it is. Let me know in the comments if you guys know what this is. I'm sure you guys do. This is a pair of ALD New Balances. These are the New Balance 550s. I just unboxed a pair of these a couple weeks ago and I fell in love. So now I had to buy another pair. And I did. Went with a size 9, which of course is my true size. You've got the Stadium Goods tag right there. Let's pop the top on this box. See these guys in person, see how they look. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these. Man, these are crazy. So the pair that I currently have is the green and yellow pair, and this is the red and blue pair. These are from the second release, I believe, of the ALD 550 collaboration. And these definitely have a very, very nice sort of aged look to them, which I really like. That's sort of what drew me to this collab in the first place. In fact, ALD sort of revived the 550 silhouette from New Balance out of their archives and turned it into something that everyone wanted. And when I saw this shoe, I was like, that's a fire sneaker, I've got to grab it. So they did it to me too. And I think it's a really, really nice looking sneaker. It's super easy to rock. It's super toned down, which I like. And honestly, I think it will go really well with a lot of the different pairs of pants we got here today. But very, very clean pair of sneakers. I love the aged midsole. I know I keep going back to that, but seriously, that's sort of what makes the shoe for me. You've got these aged mesh details. They're not actually aged, but they're like a slightly more yellowy shade of cream. You've got this red cracked leather New Balance logo right there in the center. You've got the ALD New Balance logo in the center of the tongue. The New Balance and ALD logo on the back of the sneaker right there, as well as this nice red heel clip. And overall, it's just like a very retro, classic looking sneaker, and that's what draws me so much to it. I've said this a million different times, but I love this sort of like 80s, 90s basketball sneaker era. Like I love the classic shoes made of leather, made of like really durable constructions that just look like they are tanks. And this is a shoe that looks like you could go into, I I don't know, like a toe-to-toe with Shaq and be good to go. Maybe not, but it looks like you could. I mean, even the tread on the bottom of the shoe looks beefy. It looks durable. It's non-marking, which is, you know, something that I think a lot of soles are, but it's nice that they called it out. But definitely a nice looking pair of sneakers, something that I cannot wait to rock, and will immediately be going into my collection alongside the green and yellow pair. So really, really stoked on these. Again, there will be a link to grab these through FARFETCH in the description below if you guys want to grab them. Let me move the box. Things are getting a little crazy down here because there's so many things that I've unboxed. It looks like this one came from Italy. There's that sticker that I was talking about that tells you sort of where it comes from. I hope it's Italy. It could be Mexico. No, it's Italy. Italy's red on the right, green on the left. I think so, yeah. Let's see if I can do it in one pull. There we go. Inside the box, you've got the FARFETCH tag again, and then I'm assuming the boutique that I got this pair of pants from, which I think is Workstation or Walkstation? Walkstore.com. Completely wrong with everything that I said. Okay, let's pull these pants out. It's from... not sure. I have no idea. But I'm excited to see it. Ooh, look at this denim. So this is a pair of denim from APC. Oh, it's APC. Duh, I bought a pair of APCs. How did I forget that? Okay, so this is a pair of dark APC jeans right here, which you can actually cuff the bottom of if you like to. I actually have a black pair of APC jeans. The cool thing about APC is that they actually sell like pre-worn pairs of jeans to give you like a super cool, like distressed look. And you can actually sell your APCs back to APC, I believe in their New York store, and they'll recondition them and then sell them again as like the pre-owned product, which I think is super cool and somewhat sustainable, which I think is awesome. But it's a really cool business model, and it allows you to buy jeans in really any condition that you want. Obviously, they're not gonna sell you jeans that are broken. They'll tailor them and fix them if they need to be fixed. But this is a brand new pair of APCs in this beautiful deep navy color, which I really, really love. But out of all the pants that I was looking forward to, I think APC was the one that I was looking forward to the most, because I really like my APC jeans, my black pair, which actually don't fit me great anymore, and I may end up selling them to APC or returning them or whatever it's called, because I don't wear them as much anymore. It's not because the jeans are bad, it's just because I'm 30 now, so that's what happens. But very, very nice looking pair of jeans. Really, really dig this. Super stoked to rock this and show you guys. That'll be coming up. Stay tuned. The thing, which is probably the most expensive thing that I got from FARFETCH, and the thing that I think a lot of you hype beasts will like the most, comes in this box right here. An Air Jordan 1 box. I'm sure you guys have some idea what it is. Obviously from Stadium Goods. Let's pop the top and see it. Look at that. Look at that. Very, very nice. The University Blue Air Jordan 1s. I actually did have a pair of these when they first released because I wanted to do a review. It was a pair that I bought not exactly in my size, so I ended up selling it. And I wanted a pair in my size that I could keep and rock. And so finally, I have a pair in a size 9 of one of my favorite Jordan releases of the entire year, to be honest with you. Super, super, super clean pair of sneakers. Whew. I've been going like all in on University Blue, baby blue sneakers today. I think every pair of sneakers that I got had some blue in it at least with my blue jeans, so it kind of makes sense. Man, this sneaker's awesome. If you guys want to check out the full review of the shoe, make sure to click the link at the top of the screen because I did a full review on it. Pretty happy with how it came out too, honestly. But super nice looking pair of sneakers, very nicely tumbled leather on the sides. You've got this really nice nubuck around the mud guard, on the eye stays, and then around the heel of the shoe. Very, very clean. And of course, the colorway is clean as hell as well. So this next box also doesn't have a sticker on it, so I'm assuming it's from the US somewhere, maybe. So this is from, what brand? This is Carhartt, work in progress, WIP. So this is a pair of Carhartt organic cotton jeans. I love Carhartt. Their jeans always have such nice quality, and I needed a nice pair of jeans that I could like rock in pretty much any situation. This is definitely one of those pairs. It's got this nice straight leg, so it's easy to rock. It's not gonna look too crazy. It's gonna get a little bit baggy near the bottom, especially because I think I might have gotten a slightly longer pair. I'm not 100% sure what I ended up going with, but that's fine. For a lot of sneakers, that works well. And I really needed a pair of just plain jeans because the pair that I have is just destroyed. But I love Carhartt. There's a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out, but definitely a recommended brand and definitely something that you guys should consider because I think they make really, really great denim and other products, but denim in particular. So guys, that pretty much wraps up the entire video, unboxing, and fashion show for today. Obviously, I filmed the fashion show portion after I filmed this part of the video because these shoes are obviously not laced I'm not gonna lie to you guys about that, but I would love to know your thoughts on everything that we unboxed in today's video and which fit was your favorite, so make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Huge thank you once again to FARFETCH for sponsoring today's video. Once again, if you'd like to check out FARFETCH, make sure to click those links in the description below and also use my code to save 10% on your first purchase. It's honestly a pretty insane code, and you guys should definitely use it if you're trying to grab any pair of sneakers that you've been looking at for a while, or maybe some crazy luxury item that you just haven't had the chance to grab yet. I would definitely use the code to do that. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.